ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦੇ ਮਾਮਲੇ ਹੁਣ ਘਟਦੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਹਾਲਾਂਕਿ ਮੌਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਹਾਲੇ ਵੀ ਚਿੰਤਾ ਦਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਾ ਬਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਧਰ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ-ਨਾਲ ਹੁਣ ਬਲੈਕ ਫੰਗਸ ਦੇ ਮਾਮਲਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇਜ਼ਾਫਾ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਮੈਦਾਂਤਾ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਤੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਤੋਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਬਲੈਕ ਫੰਗਸ ਦੇ ਮਾਮਲਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਜ਼ਾਫਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ।
So you know that the new cases are declining most definitely, and the lockdown in Delhi and some of the other cities like Maharashtra and all that have helped to reduce the new cases. But the old cases who were already sick, who did not get well and got in the middle, got very severe disease, they are the ones that are not doing so well, and about 20-25% of them are not surviving. Okay, so that is why the death toll right now is still high, although the new cases are down. So it will take another 3-4 weeks for it to settle down, that all the patients who have become severely ill will get better, and some of them will unfortunately not make it, but a lot of them will recover and go home. So this is why the death rate has been very high, because this virus that is now prevalent seems to have affected the lungs and the body much more than the previous wave. So that is why we are seeing this problem right now. So ICUs are full, whereas the wards where new admissions are done, the pressure is much less. But the disturbing part is that out of the 300,000 deaths that are reported in India, 100,000 have been in the last 26 days. So the death rate has been very high in the second wave. Here, that's what is being investigated. Like I said, it looks like to us as clinicians that yes, this second wave is much more virulent than it was before. People are much sicker, and younger people have also got affected. So people who got severe disease and had to be treated with high doses of steroids for a long period of time, and they were diabetics, that was the group that is the most vulnerable, because their diabetic control with steroids goes uneven or goes out of control. So then what happens is that this fungus, which is around all the time, it is usually found in large quantities in soil, but it is still in the environment, in the in walls which are damp and all that. So it can take the advantage of a person's immune system being compromised. So this is what we say, it's an opportunistic fungus. So that's when people who have been through that phase may have gotten it and are now showing symptoms and signs of it, and the treatment is required urgently for those people to save their lives.
ABP Sonja, Josh Jazba, Junoo.